Well, you just have 2 more days left and we're getting into a brand new year. So perhaps you want to keep all those New Year resolutions ready, those party plans ready as well. Anuj is joining in this morning to tell us about the market itself. Anuj, the bears have the bears are on the front foot, it seems, this morning, given what the SGX is suggesting. But what's the sense you're getting?
Well, Sonia, the point here is that markets normally test the lows to see if there's a double bottom or not. So the 17,700 at some point will get tested. I mean, of course, not today, not this week, but maybe at some point in January. But what's happened overnight in the US market is very bearish, because you have the US market showing signs of a fresh bear market. The Nasdaq, in fact, had a fresh 52-week closing low. And from the 52-week intraday low also, it's just about 100 points above. But on a closing basis, it's back in the bear market and actually at 52-week lows. So in that sense, let's see if we do also test our lows. On the Nifty, what's happened is that the rally that we had has run into resistance right at the 10-day exponential moving average. And from there, it's turned once again. And the US bond yield is back to 4. So the rate hike close to 4. So those fears are back. The other thing is that the China theme, which continued yesterday as well, might still extend itself in 2023. That could be the big theme to watch out for. On the Nifty, since it's expiry today, I was looking at the options data, and 18,100 and 18,000 puts saw maximum open interest build up. So the first level to watch is 18,068. That also happens to be the low of yesterday and 22nd December. So that's the first level. And then 17,967, which was this week's low. So this is the zone. If the Nifty has to bounce, it will be this 100-point zone, 17,967 to 18,067. Because if 17,967 breaks, then a retest of last week's low is possible. Of course, you have to be prepared for the other side. If market takes out yesterday's high, not the base case, but if it happens, then of course there can be some short covering. And the Bank Nifty, of course, has been a stronger index. The Nifty has a problem in terms of IT. The crucial zone for Bank Nifty is 42,400 to 42,500. My sense is that gets defended. If not, then there can be weakness below 42,394. Again, that's not the base case.
All right, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. Maybe some weakness at open with some supports that Anuj just spoke about. How does that tie in with the FNO expiry this time around? We have Sneha Set from Angel One. She tracks the derivatives space there closely. Sneha, thank you for joining in.